Advanced Speaking Techniques for OET Success. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn advanced speaking techniques to help you perform like a confident healthcare professional. We'll explore communication skills, structure, functional language, and natural idioms. We'll build your OET communication toolkit step by step, from empathy and interaction to structure, phrases, and idiomatic fluency. First is speaking techniques starting the conversation. Begin every role play with confidence. Introduce yourself, confirm the patient's name, and explain your role. Example: Hello, I'm Dr. Charles. May I confirm your name, please? Hello, too. I'm Catherine. Thank you, Catherine. How may I address you? This small step builds instant trust, showing sympathy and reassurance. Patients often express fear or worry. Show empathy and provide reassurance. Example: Patient, I'm scared. I can see you're anxious, and I know it's stressful, but many parents feel the same. Everything will get better. Next is echoing for active listening. Echoing shows you're listening carefully. Repeat the key word or phrase to confirm understanding. Example: Patient, I feel dizziness. Doctor, dizziness. I see. Let's talk more about that. Next is polite and welcoming openings. Use warm, polite openings. They set the tone for a patient-centered interaction. Like, Good morning, I'll be your doctor today. Hello again. Nice to see you back. Positive versus negative styles. Positive language makes your communication gentle and respectful. Positive: Pardon me, it would be better if you could. If it's okay, can you wait a moment? Negative: What? You must. You will need to wait. Choose language that empowers your patient. Signposting and structuring conversations. Why signposting matters. Signposting means guiding your patient through each stage of the consultation. It keeps your talk organized and helps the patient follow along. Useful signposting phrases. Use these phrases to structure your talk clearly. First, I'd like to ask about. Introducing topic. Now, let's discuss your treatment. Transition. Before we finish, let's summarize. Closing. Next is sequencing example. Maintain a logical flow, but stay flexible. You're guiding the patient while letting them express their needs. Functional language. Functional language helps you achieve your communication purpose. Learn to find out, gather info, explain, give info, reinforce, emphasize key points, advise, recommend actions. For find out, use polite question forms to explore the patient's situation. Examples: Could you tell me how you usually manage your child's diabetes? May I ask when this started? Would it be possible to share more details? Next is explain. Use phrases that guide and simplify information. Let me explain why this medication is important. Now, I'll tell you a bit more about your treatment. Now the reinforce. Reinforce important advice or decisions. Examples: I understand your concern, but let me stress how important this is. This treatment is essential for your recovery. Advise and suggest. Giving guidance. Offer advice politely and professionally. It would be a good idea if you should try to. It might help if you could. I recommend that you. Next lesson is idioms and idiomatic phrases. Why use idioms? Idioms make your speech sound fluent and natural, but use them wisely, once or twice per role play, only when appropriate. Common idioms for OET speaking: a bitter pill to swallow, difficult decision, a pain in the neck, annoying problem, under the weather, feeling unwell, fresh as a daisy, healthy again, off color, looking unwell. Example: I know surgery is a bitter pill to swallow, but it's the best option for you. Idiomatic phrases for natural speech. Idiomatic phrases are informal expressions that make your English natural. Deal with, sort of, take care of, in fact, at first. Example 1. I know it won't be easy at first, but you'll deal with it well. 2. I'm sort of tired today, but I'll take care of it later. 3. In fact, I've already dealt with that problem before. Now, combine all these tools in one role play. Start politely, show empathy, structure your talk, use functional language, and include a natural idiom. Lesson summary: greet and engage, empathize and reassure, signpost and structure, ask, explain, advise, add natural phrases. Great work! You've learned advanced techniques for confident OET speaking, from empathy to structure, from advising to idiomatic fluency. Keep practicing until they feel natural.